to say has definitely picked up. Baseball trade deadlines less than 24 hours. Oh my gosh.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Wait, what?
I fluked it!
What?
I fluked like the whole end!
Wait, what?
I fluked it! I beat it!
Wait,
I fucking I fluked it from 70!
Let's go!
Holy shit!
You're so
God.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Bro, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to all the people that woke up in this apartment. I am so sorry, bro. I fluked it from 70! What the fuck?
Bro, Memo went from, I have a mind block on this level to, I put 70!
Bro!
You don't.
Dude, this is like my dream demon, bro. I beat Black Blizzard, bro. Oh my fucking god.
Let's fucking go, Memo! Let's go!
fucking go. Holy
Let's fucking
shit.
go, bro.
I'm actually done, bro. I thought this was gonna take like another week. It's over.
Good shit, dude.
Dude, I was
Good
so
shit, dude.
nervous. Oh my god. Bro, I'm...
That's a dub.
Oh my god. Let's fucking go, bro. Yes!
That's a dub. That's a
yes,
dub.
yes.